This is the YouTube fast food reviewer, and today we'll review the triple bonus jack from Jack in the Box. This includes 3 beef patties, 3 slices of American cheese, shredded lettuce, pickles, and Jack's secret sauce on their regular buttery bun. You can see here, there's that bun. It's nice and buttery. There's some of that secret sauce, shredded lettuce. You can go down here. There's some pickles right there. And then American cheese, sticky. Some more shredded lettuce and secret sauce. All beef patty. Then more American cheese right there. Another beef patty right there. More cheese right there. See there, less cheese and patty. More secret sauce on the bottom there. Sauce and bun. See how it tastes. That beef here. Oh. Overall, I get Jack in the Box, triple bonus jack. Test pass. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. More faster than you.